We are grateful to all the viewers who are viewing, commenting, liking, and sharing our video. And special thanks to them who subscribed. So here we are back with a new video on PISA, which has something different. Many viewers were asking about the type and pattern of questions students will be actually facing in PISA 2021. So here we present this small video which will help you to go through previous papers of PISA. In this video, we will move step by step to see what type of actually PISA questions we will face. Very firstly, log into your PCs, mobiles, laptops, whatsoever you are comfortable with. Switch on to any browser, Chrome, Explorer, Opera, Firefox, etc. In the URL, write www.oecd.org and press enter. You will be directed to the home page of OECD, that is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Scrolling down, and you will see a menu of about, countries, topics, data, publication. Below topics, you can see there PISA. Click on PISA and you will be directed to Program for International Student Assessment. So here you will see a red menu of home, about, PISA test, data, publications, webinars, join PISA and FAQ, frequently asked questions. So now you have to click on about. After clicking on about, you will be directed to what actually PISA is and which countries usually participated in PISA. Scrolling down, under the section of what is PISA, you will get key findings by cycles: 2015, 2012, 2009, 2006, 2003 and 2000. PISA has conducted exam in these previous years. Now I am going to click on to 2012, and after clicking it, I got this page in which on the right hand side there is a blue button of Try PISA 2012 test questions. Click on the button and you will get the questions of mathematics, problem solving and financial literacy which were in PISA 2012. On the right hand side there are two green boxes. One is of test levels and the other one is question categories. Test levels. In PISA, the questions the test contains are bifurcated in 6 levels. Level 1 to level 6. Level 1 is the easiest one and level 6 is the hardest one. So we have mathematics, problem solving and financial literacy questions here. And the next green box, it is question categories in which you can see the context and content of the question. Now we will see in practical what these are and how we will get them. On left hand side you can see 3 buttons, blue buttons: mathematics, problem solving and financial literacy. I am clicking to mathematics as I wish to see the questions related to mathematics. So here we get test question, in brackets the level is written level 1. It means this question is the easiest one. So here this question is some chart type, and below you can see there is a question with the MCQ. It's an MCQ question with options A, B, C, D. On the right hand side is a green big box which has percentage of students who scored level 1 or above. So here is the list of the countries who participated in PISA 2012 and attempted this question. So every country attempted this question, and how many students, percentage of students answered correctly is mentioned along with the country. Like in Shanghai, China, 99% students have given this answer. In Estonia, 98%, similarly Singapore, Hong Kong, China, etc. Now, like, I know the answer is C, April. So I'm clicking on C and I'm prompted with the dialog box here. The level of the question is given, level 1. The correct answer is given, it's C, April. And two things, questions level and question category. In question level, the level is defined, and in the question category, the content of the question is defined. Now you have two buttons here, return to question and next question. If you want to go back to the question, you can click on to return to question, and if you want to jump to the next question, you can click on to next question. Like this, you can see you can answer the questions here and you can have a practical test of PISA. We hope this information is worth it for the viewers to understand the PISA related questions and how to get them online. Thanks for watching, and in the end, kindly view, like,